We're going to have a little sneaky look what's going on at 87 because I have spotted Shane.
I'm the station manager here. I've been station manager for just over a year now. So I work alongside a fantastic team. They are a really enthusiastic bunch of people, and they just want to make sure that everyone has a great time. I thought I'd take the opportunity to actually show you around the station, tell you a little bit about the goings on here as well. So I'm sat up here in Cafe de Winton. We have an upstairs and a downstairs. Upstairs is probably one of the nicest spots because the view is absolutely sensational, especially on a day like today. So we've got, of course, the harbour itself, and then just across the way got the nicely built Caernarfon, which is like an artisan craft village, and of course behind you've got Castell Caernarfon as well. So upstairs in Cafe de Winton, absolutely perfect if you're just going to grab a little coffee, have some quiet time, maybe with a book, or meeting up with some friends, even having like a business meeting. So we do small little conferences up in here. You can rent it out. You can also rent out our event space, which I will show you in a bit. I'm going to take you downstairs now. I'm going to show you Cafe de Winton, a little bit more of that there. So come with me. Here we are, downstairs, Cafe de Winton. So here we do light bites, things like sausage rolls, sandwiches, jacket potatoes, toasties. So yeah, just your really nice little snacks which you can take on board the train with you as well. We've also had a new coffee machine installed. So if you do like your coffees, I would say come on down to Cafe de Winton and try a really nice latte. So I'm going to take you through now into our rotunda, so the main entrance area when you come into the station. So this here is Watkin. Watkin will be the first thing that you see when you step through our doors. Watkin is a coffee pot engine made by De Winton. Cafe de Winton, a De Winton engine. This is the shop and our ticket office. So we've got an array of things here. So these are quite sweet actually because they are original photographs by staff and volunteers. So that kind of makes it a bit special. So yeah, if I could put a sofa here, I would, and just read. So there's all sorts for everyone. I mean, you don't have to like trains. We've got some really nice gifts for everybody here. Train, you will come through into here. This very large, fantastic sized room. This is our event space. So when we have the trains up and running, it is a hive of activity. So our event space, so called because we have events here. We've had our Christmas fairs, we've had the Gwynedd Artisans craft fairs, job fairs, and of course gigs. The acoustics in here are brilliant, and it really does bring the whole place alive when there's so much going on here. We've got your general facilities here, but what I quite like is the fact that we do have mum and baby changing facilities and dad and baby facilities, which in this modern day and age, it does work fantastic. We also have something that we are quite proud of here in the station, is our changing places facility as well, which is this fantastic sized room. And here is where you can pick up your additional hamper. So when you book your train tickets, you can opt for purchasing hampers. I really hope that you've enjoyed my tour of the station here in Caernarfon. I'm going to take a trip to the next station over, which is Ddinas, and just take a little wander around there, show you what's what, tell you a little bit about things that go on there too. Here we are at the workshed in Ddinas. We've got 130 and 87 having a little bit of a touch-up, a bit of TLC going on there. Some of the engineers hard at work. Where are you? There you are. Nope, you're there. Hello.
Hi.
So, 87?
Yeah.
What are you doing to her?
Getting ready for the season.
What you been doing to get her ready?
Well, at the moment we're just finishing off on the winter work. I'm busy fitting the drench valve lever into the cab so that the drenching can be done on the run.
Awesome. So there we are, my little rail tail vlog here at Ddinas and of course at Caernarfon. Really looking forward to the season starting up again and seeing our fantastic fleet of Garretts back up and running. So I hope you've enjoyed my my vlog, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Diolch, ta-da!